Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abiyyu. I will be presentation about cover letter and curriculum vitae. Number one is a cover letter. Dear Mr. Maulana Company, City of Surabaya. With respect, I am writing this job application letter after being given information from Mr. Maulana that Maulana Management needs a mechanic with 2 years of experience working in the mechanical field. I am confident to apply for this position because it fits my background. My current position is as a mechanic at a Maulana Company enterprise. Here I have proven my capacity as a machinist for corporate website. I work closely with the product engineer and marketing teams to design product concepts that are comfortable for consumers to use. Under my leadership, the team was able to improve the quality of the concept and its visual interface, evidenced by the number of site visitors during my 2 years working there. I am always up to date with new things, especially in the field of design business and marketing, including internet marketing. I have learned about this digital imaging and and the necessary media production tools such as Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW. For that, I want to prove my ability in that field in rocket management. I look forward to discussing my qualification in more detail. I was called for an interview as soon as possible. Thank you for your caution. Regard Dava Abiyyu. Number two, my curriculum visits, personal dat personal data. My name Dava Abiyyu, my date, my place and date of birth is Surabaya, 13 October 2001. My gender is male. My religion is Islam. My status not married. My citizen Indonesia. My address Perumahan Puri Indah, housing Alpha House number 4, Sidoarjo. My mobile number is 08866771357. My email davacx1@gmail.com. And my education is SD Pucang 4 Sidoarjo, Junior High School Negeri 3 Sidoarjo, Senior High School Negeri 3 Surabaya, and the last Universitas 17 Agustus Surabaya. My work exploration is a PT Jaya Makmur of engineer and PT Bermax Indocare of engineer, and my ability is make the repairs and evaluation part, and two can use a various measuring tool, and three can install various spare parts, and four can draw of design 3D or 2D. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.